Ngisathanda ukuthola umbiko la ila 16 ye-Nedbank Cup ade ikhethwa namhlanje ama-team azodlala ndawonye. Ama-date bengakakhishwa ukuthi ama-dates azodlalwa nini, but namhlanje bebenza i-draw ila 16 iwona ama-team lawa abesele. Yabo kuthiwa i-Durban City kuthiwa i-Durban City izodlala against i-TS Galaxy noma i-Vasco da Gama. Iyona match ezodlala le namhlanje. Mase kuthi Orlando Pirates, the defending champions, idlale against i-Baroka FC. Mase kuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs idlale against i-Chipo United. Uthi Mamelodi Sundowns idlale against iMpeni Home Defenders. I remember seeing a clip your coach weMpeni Home Defenders ethi ufuna i-Pirates noma i-Kaizer Chiefs. Nako-ke sethola iMamelodi Sundowns ngiyesazi noma uzowajabulela yini lama lead road yenziwa namhlanje. But-ke yothi ngidlule iMoromo Gallants izodlala against amaZulu mase kuthi iRoyal AM versus iMilford. Singesazi lo game izodlalwa nini abasinikezi like i-updates because ama-games e-Royal AM aloku epostpone nje asikanikezwe i-updates kahle kahle kwenzakalani. But i-Royal AM neMilford mekhona uzowina lapho uzodlala against iSikhukhune. Mase kuthi Stellenbosch FC izodlala against iPolokwane City. Mase kuthi iSuperSport United idlala against iCape Town Spurs. Yabo ngokwakho ungangitshela lapha kuma-comments uthi ubani abazoya kuma-quarter finals eNedbank Cup. Lama games lawa azodlala in 2 weeks time. In 2 weeks time these teams will play against each other. Yabo I see Orlando Pirates idlula la. I see Kaizer Chiefs maybe Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't think izoba ne-stress kakhulu midlala nale team because Sundowns ne-quality. Moromo Gallants versus amaZulu. I see amaZulu eba nayo edge ukuthi iwine la. Royal AM neMilford. I feel like leya match leya izonikeza iMilford because Royal AM ayipitch up kuma-games wayo. Yabo ngokwami I feel like bazoyinikeza iMilford badlala neSikhukhune. Mase kuthi Stellenbosch versus Polokwane City. That's a good game. That's a good game. I don't know ukuthi yiphi team ezowina kuleyo game leyo but I feel like bazoya kuma-penalty and kuma-penalty I see Stellenbosch win. Yabo mase kuthi SuperSport versus Cape Town Spurs I see SuperSport United winning that game. When wangitshela ama-predictions akho la 16 yabo wangitshela lapho kuma-comments ungakhohlwa uVane Sports lo ngiyatholakala Facebook ngiyatholakala YouTube ushaya subscribe ushaya follow ngiyabonga for i-support yenu.